How's my hair, Lance? I can't win this game unless my hair looks good.
Hair's on point. It's time.
It's time! The moment you've all been waiting for!
Gabe, let's go, bro.
Trying to get Gabe to warm up, he's just throwing baseballs everywhere. Dude, warm up, bro! I'm warming up as a...
Are you ready?
Just taking a quick water.
Gabe, are you nervous?
Am I nervous? No. I did not see that.
Are you nervous?
I'm not nervous. Should I throw the game so Gabe doesn't feel bad about it?
No, definitely do not. Okay, let's round up everybody for this. No, I'm really nervous for Gabe.
He might have some good tricks for this one. He might be a less stiff competitor.
Double heel, practice that double heel, bro. Tray flip, couple trays. Oh, yeah, boy. We got you. We got that. Let's get warmed up. You ready? Wait. You ready? Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Give me a basketball. I need a basketball. Someone give me a basketball. Oh!
Gabe getting ready every day, normal. Thank you. Come on, Gabe. Whoa.
Wait!
He hasn't made a shot yet. It's not good. Okay, you ready?
All right, ready.
It's time. We got an epic game. Come on, let's go.
The moment you've all been waiting for.
Steady.
The game of skate of the century. Haley versus Gabe. Rochambeau. Oh no! Oh no! Oh man! I fucked up with this one! Sorry! What were we doing? This might have to be best 2 out of 3 no repeat tricks.
Yeah.
She's looking like real mean over there. She's like.
Cold feet? Cold feet?
What? Get that off of the field! It's okay. No pressure. No pressure. Yeah, we'll rebate that. Do we rebate that? What do we do? SS. Oh, God! I made it, baby! He's rebating himself. Oh, God! Oh, wow! He was calling it a rebate. I guess we'll rebate.
Gabe is really taking no prisoners today.
That double flip was killer.
This is intense.
AA, Ron. Wow! I've never seen such a beautiful trick.
I would give it to you.
Hand on the ground?
It's defense on
She
T.
called it. I'll let you call it. Her own finger went around.
She kept her integrity in. It's good. It's important.
Let's go, let's go! It's all teed up, T to T. Last letter. You crushed it! I really wanted the tray double though. You got that tray double. You didn't want to throw that in there? You want to do best 2 out of 3?
Yeah, I'll
No
do that.
repeat tricks?
Yeah, down.
Best 2 out of 3, no repeat tricks. These guys are both awesome. We're counting that. Wow, what the pop! Ooh, just that one toe, there's like one single toe went down and it was like, eek. You didn't tell me you had that.
You've been blessed.
He's rolling it.
How about it?
Dad, that's good. That's just too good, too good. I don't know these guys, I don't know them. All right, do it again. Wow, just wow. There's a lot of tension in here right now, if you can see the audience. Gabe's taking a K. I don't got that. First baseman, no. No, thank you. The Braille World Series of Gabe. This guy goes for a freaking triple? Like fakey varial flip or something. They're moving into like triple flip. They're not that out of tricks.
Shout out. Future college, let's go. Oh, this is a day at first. I've never seen that from Gabe Cruz. Great game. Can we just clarify that was on offense, man?
That was on offense.
I haven't seen that in a couple of years.
Carlos wants to give him another go. Well, let's just go. Your turn.
Skate exactly the same, dude.
That's like Gabe's trick.
You hear that?
Yes.
Can we just take a moment to look at the ref's shoes? Seriously. I want a ref like that every time.
I was not watching.
It was good.
I gotta take it, yeah.
That was good.
Lance has fully reviewed the footage. He found no toe or no heel. She got that.
I think we should just end and draw.
Well, they're out of tricks. Start of game 3, you go first.
Why that?
You gotta do an ollie. You gotta ollie. We had to do 3 so I could get a freaking double heel in here somewhere. It's like, please.
We're gonna give it to her. Rebate, little toe.
Woo!
Is that T? That's T! Wow, that was bolts.
It was to fakie. It was like on a ramp to fakie. You guys both rock.
That was honestly an amazing game.
Yeah.
I never wanted anything to be over more than that. Oh my good lord. What'd you think?
You know what? I didn't think we knew that many tricks. Like, I didn't think we were going to be able to do 3 games, but we pulled through. Wow, thank you.
Wow.
So honored. Good job.
All right, these guys both crushed it. You can definitely check out her YouTube channel and his YouTube channel in the link in the description below. So go there and subscribe. Thank you. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.